Assalamu alaikum students. As we are doing our chapter of fraction, which is chapter number 3, and today's lecture is lecture number 8. In today's lecture, we are going to do our word problems of fraction. Before starting the solution of fraction word problem, we need to learn the steps to solve our word problem. Our first step is read the problem 2 to 3 times to understand it in a very well way. Second step is write down the given information that will help you to solve the problem. Third step is write what you have to find out. In your problem, when you read it carefully, you will be able to find out what you are going to find out in your problem. At number 4, do the solution of given problem. After finding out what you need to find out in your problem, you will start your solution. So remember these 4 steps to solve the word problem. Let's understand the one problem, and our word problem is Milling had 9 by 10 meter of tape at first. How much tape Milling had? Tell me. Look at the word problem and give me the answer. How much tape Milling had? Very good. Milling had 9 by 10 meter of tape. After using some tape to wrap presents, she had 1 by 5 meter of tape left. How much tape had left? Tell me, how much tape had left? Yeah, very good. 1 by 5 meter of tape had left. How many meters of tape did she use to wrap the presents? As you all know that the last statement of our word problem always tells us about the thing that we need to find out in your problem. So read the last line and tell me what you need to find out in your problem. Hurry up. Look at the word problem. Read the problem and tell me what you need to find out in your problem. Very good. You need to find out the used tape for presents. Okay? Leave your answer in its simplest form. After solving the problem, you have to give your answer in the simplest form of fraction. Okay? Now, if you know the answers of these questions, it means you have understand the problem very well. How many meters of tape did Milling have at first? How many meters of tape she had left? What do we need to find? If you know the answers of all these questions, let's start the second step of our word problem. Write down the given information. So our first step was how much tape Milling had? Very good. Total length of tape was 9 by 10 meter. Okay. And the second step was how much tape had left? Very good. Left length of tape was 1 by 5 meter. And what we need to find out? Hurry up. Tell me what you need to find out in your problem. Yes, we need to find out the used length of tape. So now let me make it more clear by a diagram. Here I have a diagram. This is the total length of tape, which is 9 by 10 meter, and the brown shaded area is the left length of tape, which is 1 by 5 meter, and the yellow area is the area what we need to find out, which is used length of tape. So by seeing the diagram, you can see that here I have the total amount of tape, here I have the left tape. So for finding out used length of tape, what we need to do? Think about it, see the diagram carefully and tell me, for finding out the used length of tape, what we need? If we subtract total length with the left tape, we can find out the used length of tape. Is it right? Is it right or not? Yes, very good. We can subtract the total length from the left tape to find out the used length of tape. So let's do it. Here we have 9 by 10 minus 1 by 5. As you all know that in the subtraction of fraction, our first step is, tell me the first step of subtraction of fraction. Yes, very good. We have to make the denominator same. So we can make 5 10, because 5 2s are 10. It means I have to multiply this fraction with the number 2. Here I have this step. After multiplication, I will get fraction 9 by 10 minus 2 by 10, because 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So here our first step is completed. Now tell me the second step of subtraction of fraction. Hurry up. Very good. The second step was, we have to subtract the values of numerator 9 minus 2, which gives us 7 by 10. As our answer is already in simplest form, so we need to make it more simplest. It means we have got the answer of our problem. Mailing used 7 by 10 meter of tape to wrap the presents. Hope so you all will understand it in a very well way and do it on your copy in a good way. Thank you.